he is trying so hard. And she is totally resisting. Get away. Come back here. Okay. Oh. I do not want you. Oh, come on, baby. Nah, move far away. Oh, that is so funny. He's all fluffed up and everything. She's like ready to fly away. She's not care at all. Come back here. Look at my neck fluff. I don't want your neck fluff. Back up. Oh, I will follow you, baby. Oh, now she's all fluffed up. Come back here. I want you. So pretty. Of all the blackbirds in Virginia. Oh, he is really going for it. Oh, no. She's gonna fly away, man. Oh, look at it. She's all ready to go. Creep, creep. Oh. Oh. Oh, now he's clicking at her. Shit just got real. You know, something tells me she's a bit of a tease. She could have flown away if she wanted to. We're gonna indulge this guy a little longer. Oh, did you just give up? Oh, now they're both turning the back way again. They don't have very much longer to go. Maybe she's thinking about it now. He made a good point. And he whistled at her. Nope. Pursuit's still on. Poor guy's been at this all morning. He's gonna start looking at her again. Oh, can I talk to you? You'd be looking fine in those feathers, girl. Oh. Well, one blackbird stands alone. That's what you get for being picky, girl. Alright.